Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 10th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson Polynomials, we are going to see division of rhythm of polynomials. See the example. Here we will divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. We have already studied this long division in standard 7th and in standard 8th and in 9th also. So this is not the hard task for you. Now we stop the division process when either the remainder is 0 or its degree is less than the degree of the divisor. Means here the degree of the dividend is 2 and the divisor is 1. So we will get the divisor either less than it or equal to, then we have to stop the division. So see here, x plus 2 first multiplied by 2x. So we will write 2x in place of quotient. So 2x multiplied by x plus 2, the bracket gives you 2x square plus 4x. Change the sign because we have to subtract the second number. After changing the sign, 2x square gets cancelled. The left one is minus x. Then down write the plus 1. Now see, minus x plus 1. So when you divide the first term by first term, we will get minus 1. So that minus 1 we will write here. So 2x minus 1 is the quotient now, and then apply that minus 1, multiply that minus 1 with the x plus 2. So that gives you minus x minus 2, and therefore the answer is 3. Remainder is 3. Degree is less than the divisor. So we stop the division. So here we will write it in the form of dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and if you solve this you will get the quotient dividend as 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and that we will write divisor, that is x plus 2, into quotient 2x minus 1 plus remainder means 3. So here is one more example. First, stepwise we will go. To obtain the first term of the quotient, divide the highest degree term of the dividend, that is 3x cube, by the highest degree term of the divisor, that is x square. Means you can say in other words first term and first term. This is 3x. Then carry out the division process. What remains is minus x square minus x plus 5. Now again the second term of the quotient, divide the highest degree term of the new dividend, that is minus x square, by the highest degree term of the divisor, that is x square. This gives you minus 5. Write down it in place of the quotient. Again carry out the division process with minus x square minus x plus 5. What remains is 9x plus 10. Now if you will see, the degree of 9x plus 10 is less than the degree of the divisor, and the divisor is x square plus 2x plus 1. So we cannot continue the division any further. We have to stop here. So here in this question, the quotient is 3x minus 5 and the remainder is 9x plus 10. Also, if you will check the division algorithm, it gives you dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in this way, by dividing the two numbers, we can verify the division algorithm. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What we are applying here is an algorithm which is similar to the Euclid division algorithm, which we have studied in chapter 1. This says that if px and gx are any two polynomial with g of x not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials qx and rx such that px equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x equals to either 0 or degree of r of x is less than the degree of g of x. This result is known as the division algorithm for the polynomials. Now let's have a look on the example. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. Here if you will see, both dividend and divisor are not in the standard form, means the degree is not either in ascending order or descending order, but while writing we have to write it them in the standard form. So see here, dividend minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, and this whole divided by minus x square plus x minus 1. Now if we will repeat the process, start the division process, then we will get the remainder as 3 and the quotient as x minus 2. So we stop here the division process. Now take divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you will multiply it and operate it, you will get the dividend as minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, and in this way the division algorithm is verified. Dear students, today we have learnt about the division algorithm of the polynomial. So here is a small assignment for you. Divide it and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following cases. Thank you. Have a nice day.